Show me some patience, 'cause
For you to be on the roster, I need more, like someone who won't imposter me. Someone I can get used to, feel like I could get used to you. But you know how it goes. One leave and the next one come on, keep no host. Give them the hug and I let them go. So show me what you got on me. I'ma make it work more for this, 'cause you just mine, just mine. Don't waste my time, get me right, change my mind. Maybe you just mine, get me right, give me life, change my mind. Maybe you, oh no no no, maybe you, oh no no, maybe you, la la la. Would you let me get in anytime that I want? Oh, late night up till the morning. Oh, I made me forget all the imperfect chemistry. It's on the period. One that's the sign for me. I need somebody. Don't say it, just show me. Second of anybody I want. My one and only. Need you to hold me. 'Cause maybe you'll just mine. Don't waste my time. Get me right. Change my mind. Maybe you'll just mine. Get me right. Get me right. Get me right. Change my mind. Change my mind. Just mine. Don't waste my time. You get me right. Change my mind. Maybe you'll just mine. Come and get it right. Give me life. Change my mind. You like man grabbing the blunt. Not too much down on the bus. Boy, humble tall, never really fuss. Just show out when you show up. Give me the, 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 and I'll give you the. Maybe you, maybe you, maybe you, maybe you, maybe you, maybe you. More, for you to be on the roster, I need more, like someone who won't imposter me. Someone I can get used to, feel like I could get used to you. But you know how it goes. One leave and the next one come on, keep no host. Give them the hug and I let them go. So show me what you got on me. I'ma make it work more for this, 'cause you just mine, just mine. Don't waste my time, get me right, change my mind. Maybe you just mine, get me right, give me life, change my mind. Maybe you, oh no no no, maybe you, oh no no, maybe you, la la la. Would you let me get in anytime that I want? Oh, late night up till the morning. Oh, I made me forget all the imperfect chemistry. It's on the period. One that's the sign for me. I need somebody. Don't say it, just show me. Second of anybody I want. My one and only. Need you to hold me. 'Cause maybe you'll just mine. Don't waste my time. Get me right. Change my mind. Maybe you'll just mine. Get me right. Get me right. Give me life. Change my mind. Just mine. Don't waste my time. like man grabbing the blunt. Not too much down on the bus. Boy humble, so I never really fuss. Just show out when you show up and give me the, 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 and I'll give you the. Maybe you, maybe you, maybe you, maybe you, maybe you.
Here's the finished side table. I'm so proud of myself. This took so long, but it looks so beautiful. I'm almost quite reluctant to even like put it in this corner there. But let's see how it looks when I do. I finished this artwork. It looks so much better on camera rather than in real life. But I finished this paint by numbers artwork. Now I just need to cut the edges, and then I want to frame it, and I bought a frame for this exact piece. And then we're going to put it up. I know this video has been taking, I mean, for you it must feel like only a few minutes. But the reality is that this room transformation slash decorating has been going on for approximately 3 or 4 months.
Bruh.
I think you can see that like in the beginning of I wore like summer clothes and stuff like that because it was still summer and hot out. But now it's already the beginning of November, and so putting the glass. And then put it back on here as well. There we go. Okay. God, I love it. Look at this.